Hi everyone, today I will show you how to turn off Instagram notifications. Now there are two methods in order to do so. The first method is to go through Instagram app itself, then go and click on your profile icon on the bottom right side, then go and click on this hamburger icon on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on settings. Then you should scroll down till you find here this section, notifications. And here you can simply click on pause all, toggle this option on and choose specific time, or you should scroll down a little bit more till you go to post stories and comments, and make sure you have all these options turned off, just like so as displayed right here. Now that was method number one. Let's jump into method number two. Now in method number two, we just need to open the settings of our phone. Now whether you are choosing an Android or an iOS, you should now search for app notifications. Then you want to search here for an Instagram application. Then you want to make sure that you have this option toggled off. And that's all for today's video. Please consider like and subscribe, and see you in a new video.